It's been an important day in the Idaho college murders case. A judge could decide if the trial for Bryan Kohlberger can move to another location.
His defense arguing the local jury pool is tainted by months of media coverage. Kohlberger's accused in the 2022 killing of 4 students in their off-campus home. ABC's Tim Pulliam has the update.
A crucial hearing in the Idaho college murders case. A judge will determine if alleged quadruple murder suspect Bryan Kohberger's trial will move to a different county. His legal team arguing a hired consultant surveyed 400 local residents and discovered it would be impossible to find an unbiased jury. Prosecutors believe the defense violated the court's gag order with the surveys, and given the global exposure of the case, moving the trial would not make a difference.
I don't think there is a corner of this country where a person hasn't heard about Bryan Kohberger and the quadruple murders in Idaho. But if you go to a larger pool of people, and I think this is where the defense's argument really have some merit, the larger pool of people has a greater chance of finding those people that they can find. The only question is, what county in Idaho can you do that? Because they're not going to be looking to a different state altogether.
Kohberger, a former PhD student at Washington State University, accused of breaking into the off-campus home in November of 2022 and stabbing 4 college students to death. The knife used in the murders has not been found. A judge entering a not guilty plea on his behalf.
Murders were a year and a half ago. Why is this taking so long?
Well, because look, it's a death penalty case, and the right to a speedy trial belongs to the defendant. So if the defendant decides, look, we want to take some more time here, I'm okay staying behind bars as we have more time to prepare our case, that will typically be allowed in a death penalty case. So
a trial date has not been set. Kohberger's attorneys have said that he was not in the home during the time of the murders and was actually out driving alone that night. If convicted, he could face the death penalty. Tim Pulliam, ABC News, Los Angeles.